How to enhance an image with HitPaw FotorPea. If you want to enhance a blurry or low-quality image, HitPaw FotorPea is one of the best tools to try. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your photos with AI-powered enhancement. Follow the detailed steps below to learn how to upscale your images quickly and effectively. Step 1. Download and install HitPaw FotorPea. First, visit the official HitPaw FotorPea website and click the download button to get the latest version of the software. Once the installer is downloaded, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After it's installed, launch HitPaw FotorPea to get started. Step 2. Upload the original image. Click on Enhance Photos now to begin your enhancement journey. You can import an image by clicking Choose File or just drag and drop it into the interface. FotorPea supports all major formats like JPEG, PNG, Repaie, TIFF, and more, so no conversions needed. Step 3. Choose the best AI model for your image. FotorPea offers a powerful range of AI models to meet all kinds of image enhancement needs. Among them, 5 core models stand out: Face, Upscale, Denoise, Repaie, and Colorize, each built for a specific purpose. You'll also find extra tools like text, animation, low light, scratch repair, and color calibration, giving you precision control for every type of photo. 1. Face Model. The Face Model is specifically designed to enhance portrait images. It detects and refines facial regions with precision, making it ideal for headshots, selfies, and group photos. From the interface, you can toggle the face model and choose from 3 modes. Soft is the default, enhancing facial features while keeping the textures natural. Soft V2 offers a more refined finish, and Sharp is great for low residential faces needing clearer outlines. You can also select which faces to focus on for even more precise results. Click Preview to view real-time enhancements and compare results before exporting. 2. Upscale Model. The Upscale Model allows you to increase image resolution without sacrificing quality. It's perfect for restoring old images, preparing e-commerce product photos, or generating high-resolution content for print and social media. In the interface, you can select from 1x, 2x, 4x, or 8x scaling, or set custom dimensions like 1000 by 1000 pixels. Choose from 3 processing modes. High quality restores sharpness and detail, fast speeds things up with minor trade-offs, and high fidelity keeps original tones, ideal for artwork or color-graded images. Once your settings are selected, click the Preview button to instantly see how your image will look. This preview helps you evaluate clarity, sharpness, and scaling effects before finalizing the enhancement. 3. Denoise Model. The Denoise Model is built to remove noise and grain from images while preserving essential details. It's especially useful for photos taken in low light or with high ISO settings, and for images degraded by repeated compression. After applying your preferred settings, simply click the Preview button to compare the before and after effects in real time and ensure the noise reduction meets your expectations. 4. Blur Repair Model. The Blur Repair Model restores sharpness by tackling 3 types of blur: lens blur from soft focus, motion blur from shaky shots, and compression blur caused by overcompression, bringing clarity back to your images. Once you've selected the appropriate blur repair mode, click the Preview button to see an instant comparison and evaluate the improvement before exporting. 5. Colorize Model. The Colorize Model turns black and white photos into vibrant, full-color images. It automatically adds lifelike hues from skin tones to skies, perfect for restoring history or enhancing sketches. After applying the Colorize Model, click Preview to instantly compare the enhanced image and make refinements before export. Step 4. Export your enhanced photo. When you're satisfied with the final enhancement, click Export to save your high-quality, enhanced photo to your device.